Look at all of this cheese. Carnivore chicken protein cheese melt balls. Had to close my eyes for this one. It's really that good. Alright, party people, so for this chicken carnivore melt bowl protein packed amazing recipe, you are going to need a couple of things. First, we have chicken. I'm using 600 grams of chicken fillet. This recipe works best with chicken breast. That rhymed for whatever reason, but I only have fillet, so that's what I'm using. Then I have 6 slices of bacon. You can use from 6 to 8 to however many you want. There's no such thing as too much bacon, so just go wild. Then I have around 200 grams of ham that I already sliced. I mean cubed. Clearly, these are not slices, these are cubes. Then we have 150 grams of cheese. Any cheese works. I mean, Swiss cheese would probably be the best, but this is any cheese that I had at home. Then we have cream cheese, probably going to use this whole packaging. Here's also 150 grams. Butter, of course, butter. And 120-ish milliliters of heavy cream. And that's it. I mean, that's a lot, but that's it. Step number 1, it's just cubing the chicken, right? So I'm gonna cut this into smaller pieces. All of this can be done in a pan. I'm just going to split it in 2 parts, so I'll cook the chicken in the air fryer and the rest will come together in the pan, and that's just purely to speed it up, although probably it actually takes longer time, more cleaning. Anyways, I have already made my decision, that's what I'm going to do, so that's that. So yeah, cube it up. Also, I really hope that you guys do not hear any background noise. I will try my best to remove as much as I can. The reason why there is background noise is because there's a festival happening in my city, and well, in my city right next to my house, so there's kind of loud music playing all the time. But since it's going to last like almost a week, I cannot wait that long to record another video, so let's just hope for the best as always. If you are also using an air fryer, then now is a good time to start preheating it at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just like a few minutes. I'm usually preheating it for 3 minutes. Actually, no, that's a lie. I cannot lie to you guys. Usually I'm not preheating the air fryer, but today I decided, you know, let's be fancy and let's maybe preheat stuff. Maybe things are going to come out better. You know, every video we try to experiment at least with something, you know, so today that is going to be preheating. When it comes to spices, of course, it's up to you what you use. I'm not going to use any because I don't want. Now that the beast machine has preheated, we just pop in these chicken cubes nicely inside. I need to remind myself that I decided preheating it, otherwise I'm going to burn my fingers, and well, highly likely it's gonna happen anyways, but we don't want that. It's happening. And of course it is very nice to have a large air fryer like the Typhoon, don't you? If yours is small, then maybe you want to do like a smaller batch, because essentially, I mean, I'm not going to eat this whole thing into like at once, you know, because like essentially I'm not making this for just one time, you know. This is going to be, I'm probably going to eat it today and also tomorrow. So we are doing this for 8 minutes, and yeah, I will check in like in 4 minutes to just like throw the chicken around a bit. And now the last thing we need to chop up is the bacon. And yeah, I mean, I've seen some comments of people like asking and wondering if I wash the knife and things after I cut like chicken. Well, of course I do. I just don't record it as I don't think it's like relevant. But I can assure you, I'm very lazy today. Not today. No, I learned to say I'm minimalistic. When I was having a chat with Anita from Ketogenic Woman, we came to the conclusion that I'm not lazy, I'm minimalist. So I'm just cutting things in a very minimalist way, you know, as simple as possible. Perfect. Now we wait for the chicken and then we can kind of make this whole beautiful thing come together. Whoop whoop. Actually, silly me, I forgot for a moment that I can just move the air fryer and like start cooking already. But what I meant by like doing the chicken around a little bit after, now it's 3 minutes left and I'm just going wild with the spatula in here. But yeah, essentially we take the pan and we need butter for this. How much butter? I don't know. as much as I want. And we just drop in all of this bacon. Now when the bacon is like a little bit cooked, we add in the ham and just let it like sit in there for around 2 minutes. And after those 2 minutes, you just stir it all around, give it a nice stir, and let's give it a few more minutes. And now it's time to really start putting things together. First we add all of the cream cheese and just give it some time to like melt down. And just stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. You know the drill. You can start lowering the heat also. Okay. And now all of the heavy cream. Might need a bit more heavy cream. I mean, you check yourself, your liking. No, actually this is completely enough. Because we don't want to make it into a soup, you know. It's kind of more like like a bowl. I don't know. And now we add all of the chicken cubes. Perfect. And just mix it all in. Lower the heat even more to like 3. Give it a good mix and let it sit for like 5 minutes. If you are less minimalistic than I am, you can also make the chicken cubes smaller. That would make it like more nice, but this is just perfect. And yeah, let this sit. I'll put a timer for 5 minutes and I'll go do something. And now we add, no, not half, but like some of this cheese. Mix that in. And add the rest on top, but let me do it with the hand because I know myself. And where is the lid? Lid goes on top, heat goes down, timer goes on back to like 4 minutes. Voila! It's gonna be done. I said 4. It's gonna be done. I'm gonna serve it and we'll give it a try. I kind of want to dance, you know, although these songs are starting to really annoy me because like they are playing the same songs like from 12 to midnight every single day for the next 7 days. And they played the same songs last year and the year before, but still like some of them just make me want to dance a bit. Anyways, our bowl is done. Let's give it a try, shall we? Look at all of this cheese. Carnivore, chicken, protein, cheese, melt, bowls. Just amazing. Just not every single day, you know? Had to close my eyes for this one. It's really that good. You should treat yourself sometimes and give it a try. I mean, as I said, you know, you don't want to eat this every single day because probably it's pretty caloric. I don't really count calories that much. Not yet. I'm going to do a challenge probably in September because this summer in general has been like I'm a little bit off the rails, you know. I went on a small trip to Paris. I had this drama in June, which is why I didn't post much. Now soon I'm gonna go visit my family, so it's kind of like my schedule is a little bit all over the place. And yeah, that's why the recording has been also all over the place, you know. The videos are going to come, of course, like once a week, maybe a little bit less frequently, but they are still going to come. With all that being said, right, I mean, about this dish, all of the meats really do blend together, you know. That's why the name is like melt, because it all blends together and it melts in your mouth. So it's really, really tasty, really delicious for a Sunday treat. Today is Sunday when I'm recording this. Yeah, and I mean, with all that being said, I would really like to take my time to thank all of the channel members. Even with the fact that I haven't been posting as frequently as used to, there are still some people who decide that, hey, they want to support the channel further, and I'm really thankful for that. If you would like to support the channel more, then you can do that by clicking the join button down below and become a channel member. However, you don't really need to do that. I really appreciate every single one of you who are watching the videos, liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment, and I'll see you here in the next one. Bye!